Bingo. One day, my dog Bingo ran away. I went to the park to see I could find him. Here I am. When I got into the park, I accidentally stepped in a pile of bumblebees. The bees swarmed all around me. Buzz, 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 buzz. I went and jumped into a pond. Cold water. I still need to find Bingo, so I ran up to top of the hill. When I got into the top of the hill, I saw two doors with two doorknobs. One door, second door, doorknobs. I came down from one side of the hill and from another side of the hill I came down again. Oops, I found my Bingo.